everybody. Welcome back to the 1812 crew. Today we're just showing you guys one of our favorite servers. We like to call it Desert Town, but it's really Minefactions.
Yep.
So, let's advertise.
Yeah.
Just show them around, Kyle.
Yeah, the IP address will be in the description. Yeah. So, this is the spawn. We're showing you at the spawn right now. Welcome to the spawn. You're safe. I'm all tired of this. It's an admin. And so, after you leave the spawn, you just see these right here. Oh, that's new. A little flower patch. You know? The flower patch is small. That's nice. And then these are our shops. These are all people that have one. I might actually buy one. And then this guy. Yep. And so, I'm sorry, we're open. Like, that makes no sense. But I don't know who this guy is. I guess he just wanted to shop really bad.
Which guy?
There's this guy up here. Like, and it says, I'm sorry, we're open.
I bet one of the admins put that sign.
Yes.
We're sorry, we're open.
I'm sorry, we're open. Why don't you come to...
Admin will do that all the time.
Yeah, we
Just
had
letting
to...
you guys know.
We had to take out zeros, zero Ks or something.
Yeah, you see zero voicemail calls. He will mess with everything.
He's like crapped up everything.
He's evil than a little Minecraft person.
I know, right? He just cracks up everything.
Well,
It's like,
that's a very good tip there. He's evil than a little Minecraft person. Very true.
Iron Golem. That was random. I think he's getting mad at me. He's flailing his arms. There's this Iron Golem flailing his arms. He's flailing them. Oh, hi, mister. Ah, he's flailing his arms. That's not gonna do anything.
Okay. You just want to flare your arms.
Even as a flower. There. I'm gonna do the warp smokestack. This is a good one. This is the dwarf smokestack. Put stuff in furnaces. Please don't freeze. Yeah. If you go up here, all the way to the top. Yeah.
This is our great dwarf creation, isn't it?
You got it. Office/warehouse. Storage or some cobwebs. You go in here and there's the cubicles. You have to go in this thing.
Dwarf Kingdom.
I know. And then past here, only people in creative can really do anything.
Because you want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
I think they do. Show them.
I'm showing. It's easy lit. Just diamond.
It's nice, isn't it? Well, other than the cobwebs.
Well, I told you there were cobwebs there. This thing doesn't get in very much unless you find an ore, so we just stick it in there.
Yeah.
Good room.
Okay, they see the ore factory.
This is only for people in creative because we don't want any people getting in there besides people who
Because it is valuable.
yeah, and it's like people would
So do you want to
easily
show
take
them some of
advantage.
the main factions that they could join?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different factions.
Well, we can show them our faction first.
Yeah. Kill
Kill
Crew. Kill Crew. Welcome to Kill Crew. I have those two different
Okay.
things.
Make sure they read all the signs.
And then it's kind of an ocean a little bit. We'll figure out how to use World Edit, but this is before he had World Edit. Okay, that's nice. I like that sound. And this is
giant floating thing of...
Yeah. Asinator 525, also known as Zach's house. Don't get hit.
Yes, he is part of the 1812 crew along with Dog.
Wow.
There used to be another guy called pinball because
Nothing's happening.
you're,
Nothing's happening.
uh-huh.
No, he's gonna look it up and he's gonna see this and he's gonna be like, what did he call me? But no, it's fine. Small shop,
Funny is,
large shop,
is,
and then Will's house. I don't understand why I said large. This
you
dude's
like my
house.
sign? TNT.
Mm-hmm. Pigs.
Oh, Paul, do you want to show him my sword?
Oh, your crazy sword, yes. You gotta show that to it. Okay.
I'm pretty sure these are called Uber swords.
Uber.
Show them. Show the public my Uber sword.
Dun, 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 dun. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Fire aspect 2, Bane of Arthropods V. Ooh, that's 5. Knockback 2, sharpness up 5, smite 5. It's just crazy.
Kill a guy, full diamond armor, 2 hits.
Hey, Will, it's down here. It's floating.
Okay, I'll pick it up.
Okay.
Just get my delivery man to go downstairs and take it back up.
Oh, now we need to show him Mob Palace. Well, actually, it's not called Mob Palace anymore. That got deleted.
Yeah, we should show them our basement, then we should probably get out of our small little faction. Not the
Those are
most
the
important
caves.
part of the server.
No, why do I have this weird lag, white light, whatchamacallit glitch? It like glitches up on me, all the light. Oh, this is where we were having fun one day. I just spawned a whole bunch of zombies and Will and this other dude just put in there. They did whatever.
Yeah.
Hop in there.
So, you learn another. Mobs don't really spawn down here that much. That's the thing with this place. I don't get it. Mobs don't really spawn in complete and utter darkness.
I don't know. Well, the old one used to be.
Why don't you go and show them the other factions, like TCE,
How do I get?
Party, I guess.
How do I get to? How do I get
What?
there? How am I supposed to get to TE and all that?
How do you join a normal faction, dude?
I don't know how.
He still doesn't know the mod commands
Yes,
completely.
I do. I've been mod for longer than you. I just don't understand how to.
Yeah, still, I know more about mods than you.
I just don't know how to get like the ownership of factions. That's the only thing I don't know.
Oh, let me do that.
Fine. Nah. This is the whole. What?
I have, my script says I have promoted me to the position of faction admin.
Oh well.
So now,
I don't know how that works.
yeah.
Okay, man.
I'll give it back. Just go show the PC and all. You can join at command. You can join on command.
Oh,
I'm gonna see if I can't.
you left your faction.
My faction for the moment. Well, actually, I did make the faction just.
Let's see TCE.
But Kyle got mad at me from always being the faction leader.
Oh my. No. That is nice. Dungeon loot. Oh. Nah. Bunch of other. Yeah, what if the guy from TCE gets on this and sees this? He's gonna be like, what? Wow.
I don't know.
A lot of stuff.
Just
There.
continue. Just continue.
Yeah, I know. And then there's this thing.
No matter how much you yell at you, just ignore it if someone does. He does. If a random guy does.
I have this mine. It's
That's what we
actually.
do best.
Whoa, this is cool. Look at this. Oh, it's a water slide. Hi. This is cool.
Are you showing them TV?
Yeah, this is cool. They made a little water slide thing. Aw, that's creative. No, I don't mean like
Not
literally, but
creative.
I know. But still, that's interesting.
It's very smart.
Hey,
And
swimming.
also, like, and, yeah.
Wow, we should do something like that. That's cool. Although not like completely copy
We
them,
could.
but it's
Are we?
it's nice. Okay, that's pretty much TCG. They used to get a lot big.
Yeah, they used to get on a lot more.
Getting unpopular.
And that's why we're showing you this today. Because we're awesome.
There we go. Now, party. I get this glitch where it shows up. You know? Cheese baller stuff.
There's not much to party.
I don't like what they say. Oh. Hey, they're not very big. They're just kind of small. Chanting room. This. Pig spawners! Oh my gosh. Got pigs. Don't step clip on the crops. Oh. Okay, that's strange. Oh no, I stepped on their crops. Well, that's interesting.
I guess you're pretty much done with this?
Nope, I just have PvP rock and that's all. PvP rock, big one. This is the best one.
There isn't much to what PvP rock.
Small. Oh my.
What would you find PvP rock?
Wow, that's pretty interesting there.
I
Those
wouldn't
are mine.
know. Think of mine.
They're so small. I think it's just one dude in PvP rock.
There is. It's soccer.
I fall in ravines all the time. But that's all. Are there any other factions that you know of?
No.
Ooh.
No. Oh no.
Let's try this. Darn it. There's no staff then. Still.
Okay, I think I fixed the thing down here.
So that is pretty much all of mine factions. And so yeah, that's pretty much it.
It'd be nice if Nerf launchers on at the moment.
I know, but still, it's nice. Everybody say hi.
Kyle, I fixed the thing.
The what thing?
The giant mob area.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Okay then, let's see it.
Oh.
Really, Will? Good grief. How did you get all the zombies? How did you fix it?
Don't you see the spawners?
Oh! They look like ores. Still.
They do.
You might actually want to put those underneath the,
I don't think they spawn through bedrock, that's the thing.
Oh. Still. We might want to remind them, but still. Yay! Alright, that's pretty much all of mine factions, so say bye-bye.
At the moment.
At the moment, yes.
All
Bye-bye.
my factions at the moment.
Bye-bye.